Sarah Campbell, and I am the color queen of flowers. I've designed hundreds of weddings with thousands of flowers, built a six-figure business, and became a viral sensation, all while raising a family. Now, I'm teaching you how I do it. I'm sharing the secrets that took my business from beginner to blooming. The kind of wow factor that creates that viral attention and attracts those dream clients. Of course, there are challenges along the way, and I am sharing it all. The secret to success in the world of flowers has everything to do with how you respond to the unexpected. So come with me as I share the strategies, the challenges, the unexpected, and the exciting world of large-scale floral design. On this session of Intrigue Teaches, we are going to dive into floating flowers. That was funny, right? Dive? We're gonna dive in. No, crickets. Okay, well then, I guess I'm just gonna stick to flowers. I am Sarah Campbell of Intrigue Design, and I am known for luxurious, large-scale floral installations and weddings that are overflowing with flowers. On Netflix's The Big Flower Fight, I designed larger-than-life floral creatures and earned my title as Color Queen. If you haven't seen it yet, this is your sign right here. It is time to binge some flower-focused television. Floating arrangements are a style I love to create whenever the opportunity presents itself. These can be created in a variety of shapes using simple techniques, and I'm going to teach you how it is done. A solid foundation is the key to any floral design, so let's start with the base mechanics. My go-to for floating flowers is the Floral foam with PolyRenew. This product is made from recycled material and it floats beautifully. I will include a link with all the supplies that you will need for this design right here. It comes in both green and white, but I prefer designing with the white foam. I'm working with both fresh and artificial material for this design. These designs were created as part of the Floral Installation Workshop in Orlando, Florida, and has been filmed for the Big Dreams Virtual Floral Installation Masterclass. During this masterclass, you will have 10 incredible weeks of large-scale floral education. More about that later. It is time to design. Now, here's the best way to disguise permanent botanicals. We're gonna add real-life greenery. By adding real greenery, I can give this appearance of fresh. Now, we all know the difference between fresh and artificial, right? We can all tell. We can usually even tell in photos. But sometimes the artificial is necessary. All right, so then this is so easy to work with this PolyRenew foam. This new foam I am obsessed with. I use it all the time. You're gonna take your artificial and you're gonna go right in. And then I'm gonna do this in a collection. So I'm like those groupings, right? Does everyone know I like groupings of flowers? Now, if I wanted to do fresh on this, I would take my board, I would take a flat board, I would cover it in fabric, and I would do my foam on top of that. Or I would cover the wall, the sides of it with artificial and then do fresh on the top. Take a look at how the designers are placing the blooms at alternating heights. This technique is used to give texture to the design. Because we're using this ring as our base, it is important to add flowers towards the center as well, so that all of your foam is covered. So then once you get them completed, they just go right into the water. For the record, that one that I just tossed into the water, it was most definitely not complete. So don't use that as your example. And you can anchor them. So I use fishing line when I want to anchor them. You can also use weights. So if you're in a deep pool, you're going to use a weight. And when I weight these, I just do the weight on one side. You do have to measure the height of the pool. The depth of the pool is important, but it does not have to be tight. It can still move around a little, but if you don't anchor at all, it will all flow to the filter. So that anchor is gonna let it stay in place. So I do fishing line either to the sides or I do an anchor to the bottom. Here we go. That one right there, that is complete. It is okay that there's a little foam exposed on the water's edge, as that will not be seen by the audience that is viewing from above. This tutorial was filmed at a live workshop that was attended by members of the Intrigue Floral community. This love of flowers has helped to build this blossoming online community of over 10,000 members that come together each and every day to connect, to share, and to grow together. If you are a budding florist and you want to be part of an inspiring and uplifting flower-focused community, I would love to have you there with us. Joining is super easy. I'll leave the link right here. For this design, the fresh products were from Mayesh, the permanent botanicals were from Pete Garcia Group, and the foam was from Floracraft. At this point, you may be wondering how much a design like this would cost. Thanks to Curate Floral software, I have the answer. I am including the link to show the pricing and a shopping list for the supplies that you're going to need. And that's it for this session of Intrigue Teaches. I'm gonna head over to the Intrigue Floral community. I'll see you there.